हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब। आई विश कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे। मैं अमन शर्मा स्वागत करता हूँ आप सभी का द इकोनॉमिक्स एक्सपर्ट में। सो गाइज, इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट व्हाट इज़ पॉजिटिव इकोनॉमिक्स एंड व्हाट इज़ normative economics, and we will talk about what are the difference between positive and normative economics. So if you are the student of economics and want to learn economics from the basic, so this video is for you. So guys, let's begin the video. Positive economics deal with economic issue related to past, present or future, which studied by using fact and figures. Now we will talk about normative economics. Guys, normative economics, it deal with opinion of economists related to economic issue or economic problem. Now we will talk about difference between positive economics and the normative economics. So guys, we have 5 key points. With the help of them we can understand difference between positive and normative economics. First is related. Positive economics related to economic issue, but the normative economics related to opinions of economists. Second one is related statement. Positive economics related to the statement of past, present and the future, but the normative economics related to the statement what should be. Now the third one is verification. In positive economics we can verify everything by the fact and figures, but in normative economics we can't verify it. And the next one is value judgment. In positive economics, value and judgment is not involved, but in the normative economics, value and judgment is involved. And the last one is statements. Positive economics statements not are always true, but in the normative economics we can't say the statement is true or false because it's so opinions only.